Hi, friends! I'm Bunny Bloom. Today we're going on a magical shape adventure. Can you help me find all the shapes? Let's draw our first shape, a circle. Watch carefully. Round and round we go. Wow, it's a circle! Can you say circle?
Great job! Now let's draw a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, it's a square! Can you say square? Awesome! Now let's draw a rectangle. Long, down, long, up. Wow, it's a rectangle. Can you say rectangle?
Fantastic! Now let's draw an oval. Round and long and done! Wow, it's an oval! Can you say oval?
Yay! We learned circle. Great job, little friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Bunny more fun learning adventures. Bye-bye! See you next time!